Hello guys, Charlie. You see this sugar bread, give it a try, you will love it. It's very soft and fresh. So give this bread a try. This one is a must try. You will love every bit of it. And so we are going to get straight into the recipe, but before we start, please subscribe if you have not yet done so. It is free. Like and comment, click on the notification bell. So we are going to make use of hard flour 4 cups, and I'm adding half cup of sugar to it. I'm going to add my yeast, which is 1 tablespoon, and I'm going to mix this together. Make sure you don't add your yeast and salt together. No, yeast and sugar works perfectly. And I'm adding half cup of non-dairy milk powder, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor. Okay, so I'm adding everything, mixing it very well. I'm going to add my margarine. I'll leave the ingredient and its quantity in the description box. You can use butter for this, but I'm using margarine. I'm adding 2 eggs. You can omit the eggs. You can omit the eggs and the distance. How do you call it? The milk powder. So I'm sprinkling some lukewarm water on it. Because of the yeast, you need to use warm water, not hot and not cold, but lukewarm water. So just sprinkle little by little on it till you are able to mix everything for it to form very well. Don't pour all the water at once, just a little. I'm going to sprinkle some salt on it. That's salt solution, about 2 tablespoons of salt solution, and then I'm mixing everything. Please like this video for me, comment and share the video as well. Click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get notifications. So I'm going to use my stand mixer to stretch the dough, mix it, stretch it, and get it smooth. So I did this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Yes. So guys, I want to beg you, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video for me. Okay. So you see how the bread is looking. Yes. So I'm going to cover this for like 10 minutes, and then after 10 minutes I'm going to knead it just a little on the chopping board. So I'll bring up my chopping board and then sprinkle a little bit of flour on it, and then we are going to knead it just a little. Okay, so let's knead it a little, and then while you are doing this, make sure you have greased your pan, your bread pan, for this, so that you can quickly So we are going to leave this in a bowl and cover for 30 minutes for it to double inside. Yes, so I've greased the pan with the bowl, the bowl with margarine. So place it in, cover with a cling film, and then I'll also cover with my napkin, and then leave it there for 30 minutes for it to double in size. Yes, increase a little. Okay, so cover with napkin after 30 minutes. Yes, so going to take the cling film off, and I'm going to place this on the chopping board. I will divide it into 2 and then mold it. Yes, mold it for baking. Like I said, make sure you have also greased your bread pan for the purpose, for this purpose. Yes, so I'm going to place the dough on it, divide it into 2, just knead it a little, and I'm going to divide it into 2. Okay, please like and share this video for me, and leave a comment as well. So just apply flour on your rolling pin and then roll it. So I'm going to fold this. Okay, so I made two breads the same day. I made sugar bread and then butter bread. So you can check out my video for the butter bread. Okay, this is sugar bread, so you can check out the video on butter bread, very rich. Okay, so like I said, my bread pan is well greased. Okay, and I'm going to roll the second one, also mold it and then place it also in a bread pan, ceramic bread pan. So check out my video on butter bread, very rich butter bread. I'll be posting the video soon so that you can watch. And I'll leave the link there in the description box when I post it, so you can check there. I also have several recipes on bread, that is bread recipes, whole wheat bread, soya bread, coconut bread, oat and wheat bread. So we are going to cover this, leave it in the sun for 40 minutes to 1 hour, 45 to 1 hour. So this is it. It has double tripled. So we are going to bake this in our gas oven. I'm going to set my oven very low. I'm using a gas oven. So we are going to bake it for 30 minutes. And so this is it. Do you know what I did? You can see some lines on it. Yes, I spread some egg on it, and that is what you see there. The bread is very soft and jai. So give it a try. Okay, so I'm going to take it out of the pan. Our bread is ready, so we are going to slice it. So like I said, I apply some egg on it, some egg wash on it. I did it off camera. Okay, so let's slice our bread. Very scrumptious, very delicious, very soft. You see our sugar bread. Give it a try and you are going to love this. You can omit the milk and the eggs and you are cool. That will also be perfect. But for me, I love them in my bread. It gives it some richness. So this is our sugar bread. Yes. Give it a try. You are going to love every bit of it. Please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video for me. So I paired it with some salad. Charlie, you can pair it with avocado or anything you want. Thank you so much. Bye bye.